In this tutorial, we'll show two simple ways to structure your data room index. The first method is creating folders manually, giving you full control over your folder structure. To get started, right-click inside the data room or use the three dots in the toolbar. Select Create, then Create Folder. Enter a folder name and select the appropriate permissions. Click Create to add the folder and repeat as needed to build your structure. The second method is uploading an existing index, such as an Excel template. In this example, we'll use a ready-to-use due diligence template available on our website. Right-click the main folder or use the three dots. Select Upload, then Upload Index, and choose your file. The system will process it, and your index will be ready within minutes. You can also customize the view by adding columns, helping you organize information more efficiently. Let's use an example room that already contains documents. Open the column settings from the three-dot icon. Select the properties you want, and click Apply. You can sort content by clicking a column header. When sorting is applied, the view automatically switches to List View, and you can return to Tree View at any time. To rearrange folders, just drag and drop them. Adjust permissions if needed, and click Paste to confirm. Index points will reorder automatically. However, if you delete a file or folder, the index order may become out of sequence. To fix this, open the context menu. Go to Edit and select Renumber. Choose the scope and apply the changes. With these steps, your data room index will be organized and ready to support your project. For more help, please visit our Help Center on the website.